Hey, it's Ian, and today we have this 12-inch high-velocity fan. And the best part is, it's rechargeable, so you could take this and use it just about anywhere. Now, one of the things I love about this is the motor is super energy efficient. That means on low you can get up to 10 hours of continual usage. Even on its high setting, you'll be able to use this for 3 hours. Now, one thing you're gonna love about this is how powerful this is. This lets off 1500 CFM of airflow, which is comparable to some of those larger warehouse fans. Now, it's impressive that they were able to fit so much power in such a compact and lightweight fan. Weighing in at just around 6 pounds, you can use the handle to take this just about anywhere. Now, another thing you're gonna love about this is everything's adjustable. From the stepless control knob allowing you to dial in that perfect speed, to the knobs that pivot the fan over 90 degrees. Now, because this fan has a rechargeable battery, you're not going to be tethered to any outlets or tangled with cords. But you can opt to use the charging cord as a power cable, so you can use this indefinitely while it's plugged in. And here's a bonus, you can even charge your phone using the onboard USB port. Now, a fan like this can be used indoors, outdoors, in your garage, basement, and even camping. Anywhere you need airflow, this is the fan for you. So head on over to the site to see your awesome deal today.